remember that that thing was insane. Yo, guys, I can see already, man. These things are blinging. Did I just say at the end of the game? Yo, what is up, guys? And happy Friday. Because even though today isn't Friday for me, it's Friday for you. Because I got a schedule, guys. And that schedule is you watching a Luke Zion video that looks icy. An icy Luke Zion video.
It's frickin' freezing in here, Mr. Bigglesworth.
So without further ado, Bob is still in his fucking bag. So Joe, come here, Joe. Joe's been giving me attitude too lately, guys. He's been giving me attitude too. And I really don't have time for attitude from Bob and Joe. So Joe, if you don't quit with your attitude, because I think it's like when you put two dogs together, right? They want to act like each other. So Bob, I just called him Bob. All right, guys, and we are back, and obviously I got Bob on the brain. Pause, major pause right there. But guys, listen, we are reviewing, sorry, I had to put Joe back. We are reviewing none other than the legendary Luke Zion.
It's gonna be legend. Wait for it. And I hope you're not lactose intolerant because the second half of that word is dairy. No, legendary.
And before I said we got some ice from Luke Zion, like what are we talking about? We got ice from Luke Zion. We got the ice chains. We got two different versions of them in 3.9 millimeter, 28-inch variants. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got this beautiful Luke Zion box right here, pause, and I kind of did a little switcheroo on you guys. Instead of seeing the Luke Zion logo, I put the sticker on top because I thought it looked cool. What do you guys think? Dennis, maybe that's a new look, right? Maybe we got that like engraved on the box. Let me know what you guys think down below. But anyway, let me move away my creativity to the actual box, and let's put the box to the side a sec, and let me let you guys know what we have on hand. We have the Pyramid 3.9 millimeter ice link chain in 28 inches, and we have the Square 3.9 millimeter ice link chain in 28 inches. Now guys, a long time ago I reviewed a Luke Zion ice link chain. I believe, and I remember that thing was insane.
It's crazy.
Insane. So for those of you that don't know what ice link chains are, they are silver that is cut so dramatically that it looks like there's actually stones on the chains. So guys, without me talking anymore, let us open the box. And that's what she said.
That's what she said.
Here we go, guys, and we are greeted with two beautiful icy chains. And yo, guys, I can see already, man, these things are blinging. Blinging. I never thought I would say the word bling. Oh my God, we got another sticker. We got another sticker right here. Let me file that to the side. And guys, these things are absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, so let me open up the Phone of Destiny here so we can read a little bit like we usually do, Big E story time, about these ice link chains. So let's go to Luke Zion over here real quick, because you guys know I like giving the details. The details are what is important. So first let's read about the Pyramid. And the Pyramid ice link chain, guys, which by the way in 28 inches is $256, not a bad deal whatsoever. Elevate your jewelry game with the Pyramid 3.9 millimeter ice link chain, expertly crafted from authentic 925 silver and made in Italy. This chain features a distinctive 3-line pyramid style design, link design rather, giving it a bold angled profile that adds depth and texture to your look. Each link is diamond cut for maximum brilliance, reflecting light with every movement and creating a shimmering icy effect that stands out in any setting. Damn, guys, I might need to get one of those jobs as like, you know, narrating things in like a planetarium or the movie or some shit like that.
Yes, just kidding. No.
This is the pyramid. This is the pyramid right here, guys. And this thing, take a look at this, man. This thing is shiny as all hell. And guys, by the way, I have the silver kilo bar here for some added dramatic effect because, you know, I'm trying to be cinematic-y. But guys, look at this thing. I mean, I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, man, but look at the shine on this thing. Look at the cuts on this thing. Absolutely beautiful right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And let me just put this up into the main camera here really quick. Let's see if we can get a little view on this over here for you guys. But beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful chain. All right, now let's examine the clasp and let's see what kind of clasp we have on here. So again, guys, we have that pear-shaped lobster. Check this out right here. Beautiful, beautiful pear-shaped lobster. And we have the 925 and we have the Italy markings, as you can see, corresponding on each side. And man, Dennis has really been killing it, man, with these pear-shaped lobsters, which I love. And guys, also for an ice link chain, the malleability on this thing, man, the malleability, I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but it is freaking dope. All right, guys, let's move on. And we just did the pyramid. So now we're gonna go to the square, which is up next. This one is $322. Turn heads with the square 3.9 millimeter ice link chain, a modern luxury piece crafted from solid 925 sterling silver and made in Italy. This chain features a unique 4-line link structure, forming a true square profile, giving it bold dimension and a clean geometric look. Finished with a diamond cut polish, every angle of this chain reflects intense shine, creating a brilliant icy sparkle under any light. At 3.9 millimeters wide, it's the perfect everyday statement. Let us open this square iciness right here and see what we got. Yo, guys, yo. Now this thing, I mean, listen, the other one is crazy too, but this square joint right here, guys, like, yo, I don't know if you guys are seeing that. Check this thing out, man. Check this out. Do you guys see the sparkle on this, man? Yo, the sparkle on this thing is freaking crazy. And yeah, you can definitely see this boxed look right here, man. Let me see if I can get a close-up so you guys can see it. But you see this squared off look here? Definitely different than that triangular shape of that pyramid. Again, we have, oh no, wait, yep, no, we got a pear-shaped clasp as well on this, guys. So here we go. We got the pear-shaped clasp. And let us check the markings as well. Again, guys, we have the 925 and we have the Italy accordingly. Peep this thing, man. Peep this thing right here. And also, guys, this square design gives it a much bigger look. Like, this chain does not look like a 3.9 millimeter chain. And if we put these side by side, guys, these are both 3.9 millimeters, right? Now take a look at this. Take a look at that. Look at the difference, man. So I got the square right here where I'm twisting, and then the pyramid is to the right. And look at that size difference. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. Let me put this on the other camera over here so you guys can see it. But look at that difference right here. So we got the square right here that I'm twisting, and then we got the pyramid right here. And guys, both of these are freaking gleaming, man. I mean, these things are gleaming. They're absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful chains, man. All right, guys, let's start to get into some of our scientific testing right now. I believe we said 39 grams, and keep in mind, guys, this is give or take, right? So Luke Zion states it on the website. It could be a little bit less, it could be a little bit more. In my experience, they are always over. But this is supposed to be 39. There's no biggies guessed today, but let's check it out. Oh, hang on, guys. Hang on. 40.5. So we got that. You guys see that? Wait, hold on to the change. 40.4. All right, guys. So we got 40.4 on the square, and this was supposed to be 31. 31 on the pyramid. And let's see what this comes in at, guys. Oh, hang on. 31.5. 31.5. So over on both, man, over on both, these things are fire. Fire, fire. All right, let's pull out little Gertha now and let us get some measurements. Let's zero little Gertha out. So first off, guys, let us start with the square right here. And 3.98, so we are over. 4.01, we are over again. And 4 on the dot, so we are over again. Now let's pull out the pyramid, guys. Let's zero this back out so you guys can see right there. And let us see here. 3.94. Hang on. 3.70. You know what, guys? I was measuring. There we go. 3.90 exactly. So with the pyramid, it's a little tricky to measure because it has this triangular shape. If you don't get the two side parts and you get the top of it, you're going to get a measurement that's way less. So I want to make sure that I do this right so I don't do my man Dennis dirty. There we go, guys. 3.92 on the last one right here. Guys, it's kind of crazy, right? Because I don't know if you guys can tell at home, but one of these obviously has a much bigger look than the other one. I mean, this square right here has a much bigger look over here, but they measure out the same. That's some magical shit right there. That's like some magician wizard stuff over there, right, Bob?
You're a wizard, Harry.
Bob's in his bag right now. Speaking about spells, I kept him in his bag and he is not moved. All right, guys, so we did the scientific stuff. You see me bugging out because these things are beautiful, shiny silver and definite pickups for anybody that's watching, by the way. Now, let us take a wonderful break from my lovely sponsor, ONEBONE. Guys, ONEBONE has sizes medium all the way up to sizes 8XL. They got shirts, they got shorts, they got tees, they got hats, they got boxers. You name it, they have it. I wear a ONEBONE shirt every day of my life. I wear ONEBONE pants, I wear shorts. I am head to toe in ONEBONE all day long. Guys, make sure you go over to the link in my description to check out the Big E ambassador page and make sure you use the Up the Ante code BIG-E20 for 20% off your first order with ONEBONE. And now, guys, let's get back to this video. Let's get these chains around neck and let's see if I can blind you with this ice. All right, guys, so we are back, man, and I'm taking the Michael Jackson glove off because I kind of feel like a weirdo a little bit wearing that, I'm not gonna lie. And guys, I can slip these right over my head. Oh, you know what, guys? This is the first video I think I've done where I wasn't wearing a chain, man. I'm not wearing any jewelry right now. Well, actually, no, I'm wearing my Ice Shine Apple Watch, but that's kind of crazy. That's historical right there.
Unbelievable.
All right, guys, so let me close this up first. There we go. I'm gonna try on one at a time first, and then we're gonna go with this stack, man, because I got a feeling that's how I'm gonna be wearing them. All right, guys, so first, let's go with the pyramid. And I can slip this right over my hat. Boom. Let's make sure we got a nice look over here. And guys, yo, this feels comfortable as all hell. Super, super comfortable right here. This is beautiful, man. And guys, yo, this thing is shining, man. This thing is shining. All right, let me take this off. Let me take this off because I'm not gonna put the square one on and not give you guys, I'm not gonna rob you guys of the singular look on both. But here we go, guys. Yo, check this joint out, man. Check this out. Yo, guys, this is perfect, man. And you know what the cool thing about this chain is too, guys? If you have like a moissanite pendant or something like that, these chains are so shiny that you could rock them with that and literally have it almost pass off as a tennis chain. Like, honest to God, like the way the light hits this, guys, is insane. Insane. All right, guys, now we're getting to the moment of truth because now we're putting on the stack. Now we're putting on the stack right here. All right. Oh shit, I got my glasses caught. That's what I get for trying to be whatever. But yo, guys, yo, peep this. Now this is gonna be my look with these ice chains right here for sure. This is gonna be my look. These things are fire. At this point, man, it's like, yo, I expect nothing less from Luke Zion. It's like I'm never gonna get a piece from Luke Zion that is not gonna be fucking fire. And these are fire right here. But at the end of the day, guys, that's why I keep reviewing the items, because there's so many companies out there doing the wrong thing. So I'd rather review every single piece that a company has from a place where you guys can go and get a piece that you can pay a good price for, get it shipped out on time, have an honest business there, and get quality, then take my chances reviewing different companies that hit me up and this, that, and the third, and then who knows what they end up happening. Shout out to you, Floor. But yo, you know, my homie, she hit me up yesterday. She subscribes to the channel, and she got got. She got a piece sent to her, and it went, and all the stones fell out of it, and all this stuff happened, and yada, yada, yada. And I'm not going to go into her business or anything like that. But at the end of the day, guys, you know, she's a friend of mine at this point, and it just sucks. As are all of you, as are most of you, man. We all talk a lot, you know what I'm saying? But it just sucks when I hear that you guys take a chance and you end up with garbage. You know what I'm saying? You end up with garbage, you know, and that doesn't happen all the time, but it happens. It happens. Anyway, guys, listen, let me know what you guys think about these chains. And right now, because I'm not going to forget to do this, it's time for the dope or nope verdict on the 3.9 millimeter pyramid ice link chain and the 3.9 millimeter square ice link chain. So guys, for the dope or nope verdict, the chains get... And congratulations, Luke Zion. You were always and forever, that sounded like a Hallmark card, you were always certified dope. And guys, listen, again, let me know what you guys think about these chains. Let me know about your latest Luke Zion pickups. Let me know what you guys want to, I don't know what the hell I was just gonna say. I was just gonna say something, and I don't know what I was gonna say, but let me know what you guys, maybe I wanted to say, let me know whatever the hell you guys want me to say. Maybe that's what it was. But at the end of the day, whoa. That was, did I just say at the end of the gay? Do the usual YouTube stuff, guys. Been your boy, Big E, and I am out. Peace.